Again, it's me again. So I just prepared here chicken wings or marinate for barbecue. So we need to marinate to give it a nice taste. And of course, chicken thigh, boneless, no bones. The same marinade, but different marinade for the same barbecue chicken. So we're gonna barbecue chicken grill. So all the stuff, not good. Just not good at all. I just dirty the stuff here. Doesn't matter, I'm gonna clean it. So yeah, so this is the stuff. So we'll leave it to marinate it. Even my mama mia. Okay, enjoy guys.